Alright, looking at the SPX here, I've already got the fibs drawn on the 1-year chart. We can see right now that we're basing the 76.4 from the highs to low on the 1-year. If we do break 71.5, we would look for a move down to the shorter term 23.6 here at 20.58, 20.59, and then another break down lower into the 20.40 area. The short-term 38.2 also rests here at 2023, which is about the high of this spike high before the previous drop into this W formation that we're in right now. If we want to check on the volume layout, we can see on the 2-year. We can see on the 2-year that we came up and we hit right here into the high volume node in this ginormous amount of range up here into the top. And now we're here in this little null. There's this little spike of volume below us, but really after, let's call it 207 or so, we really lose quite a bit of volume. It drops off all the way down into here in about the 205.5 range, and then we really lose it. There's a lot of null here, all the way down really into the 201, high 201s to 202 range. If we want to just check our strategy here and check those price levels, we can run a fib here from the highs into the lows. You can see that that one is supported pretty closely by the 76.4. We could also run a fib level like this. That one falls pretty close here into this 23.6 as well. Further down, you can see that this the bottom of this null sits at the 61.8 from the high to the low. Not only is the 61.8 the most supportive fib, but we can see with the volume coming in and with the shorter term 38.2 down here, this would probably be the area that I would most likely think that we're going to get short into, given the fact that we do break this 204.75 to 205.5 range. So a good healthy drop through there if price does break. I'm going to set an alert with that real quick. Alrighty. On the ES, we can see the same picture that we saw on SPY. We came up here into the heavy volume area, we hit the top, and now we're starting to lose volume here as well. It would look like maybe 205.2 or so is when we really drop off in volume here in the ES, down into the 2037, and then quite a larger drop down into the 20s or the 1960s. Fib wise on the ES, you're looking at much the same as the other ones. The 76.4 is down here at 2045. We will need to be watching that area. There's a lot of consolidation, but once we lose that, we can see an easy rotation 40 points lower into the 61.8. So I'll be looking for a break here on the SPX of 2071.5 to confirm a move lower into 2059. I expect to see the 23.6 break in some fashion, maybe after we backtest this 2071.5 area. So down, back up, and then a break lower into the 161.8 here of a really long-term fib here in the 2037 range. It's not going to play supportive, but I do like to watch the price around that area. After that, we move down into the 2023 range with the 38.2. I think we get supportive in this range anywhere from 2020 to 2025 or so. I'd expect for this next drop to take a break.